Ever wondered if Tide Bank has a SWIFT code? It's a question that might have popped into your mind if you're dealing with international transactions or just curious about the bank's global reach. Well, let's dive in and find out. Imagine trying to send money overseas, but you're missing a crucial piece of information. It's like trying to unlock a door without a key. That's the importance of a SWIFT code. It's the unique identifier that banks use to communicate with each other across borders. So, does Tide Bank have one? Before we get to the answer, let's quickly understand what a SWIFT code is. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. It's a global network that connects banks and financial institutions around the world. A SWIFT code is essentially a standardized format that allows banks to securely exchange messages and transactions. Tide Bank, a brief overview. Tide Bank is a relatively new player in the banking industry, but it has gained a significant following due to its innovative approach and focus on small businesses. It offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, business loans, and payment processing. The SWIFT code question. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Tide Bank have a SWIFT code? The answer is, drumroll, please, yes, Tide Bank does have a SWIFT code. Why is a SWIFT code important? If you're planning to send money to or from Tide Bank, having its SWIFT code is crucial. It ensures that your transaction is routed correctly and reaches the intended recipient without any delays or errors. Additionally, a SWIFT code can be helpful if you need to set up international payments or transfers. Finding Tide Bank's SWIFT code. So, where can you find Tide Bank's SWIFT code? There are a few ways. Tide Bank's website. Check Tide Bank's official website. They often provide this information in their FAQ section or on a dedicated page about international payments. Contact Tide Bank customer service. If you can't find it online, reach out to Tide Bank's customer service. They can provide you with the correct SWIFT code for your specific transaction. Online banking. If you have a Tide Bank account, log into your online banking portal. The SWIFT code might be listed under your account details or in the settings section. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when dealing with SWIFT codes. Double-check the SWIFT code. Always verify the SWIFT code before initiating a transaction to avoid errors. Be aware of fees. Some banks may charge fees for international transactions. Make sure to inquire about any applicable fees beforehand. Consider alternative payment methods. If you're dealing with frequent international payments, you might want to explore alternative methods like PayPal or Wise, formerly TransferWise. To summarize, Tide Bank does indeed have a SWIFT code. This is essential information if you're planning to make or receive international payments involving Tide Bank. By understanding the importance of SWIFT codes and knowing how to find them, you can ensure that your transactions are processed smoothly and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.